Channel in coaching center. Today I am going to explain your geography, second chapter, Indian physiography. So let's come to the chapter Indian physiography. So as you know, India is a vast country. India is a vast country. So it has many rivers. India has many rivers, mountains, plateaus. Mountains here, India has plateaus and many plains. India has, as you all know. Sorry, a little bit. Many plains. These mountains or rivers or these are influenced on climate. They are influenced on climate, agriculture, transport, and natural vegetation, and on other things. They are influenced these mountain plateaus. On the basis of physiography, physiography, India is divided into four parts. So on the physiography, India is divided into four parts, and the first is the mountains, the northern, the northern Great Plains, as well as the peninsular plateau, and the coastal plains, and islands. So let's first know about the northern mountains. Himalayas, Himalayas, Himalayas that are like a group. It is like a group of young fold mountains. The Himalayas are the northern mountains, and has a continuous chain links in the border of India. Mountain, they are the highest mountain ranges in the world. In India, they are the highest mountain ranges in the world. They have highest highest peak, plains, rivers, and other things. They are the highest mountain in the world, that is in India. And they are located from Indus Gorge. They are from Indus Gorge, as you learnt in your rivers chapter, where is Indus Gorge is located. From there to east of Brahmaputra Gorge. In east, Brahmaputra Gorge is there. And Brahmaputra Gorge, from Indus Gorge to Brahmaputra Gorge, these mountains are located, and it is in the east of 2400 kilometers. So till 2400 kilometers it is located, and the width is 320 kilometers, as well as it is broader in east, broader in west, and it is broader in west and narrow in east. So it is narrow in east and broader in west, whereas the total area of India that has mountain is 5 lakh kilometer of area has mountain, kilometer square. kilometer square area India has mountain. So they have steep slopes towards India and gentle slope. They have steep slopes and gentle slopes towards Tibet. So towards Tibet they are gentle slope and towards India they are steep slopes. In that Himalayas there are three ranges. There are three ranges. There are three ranges. The Greater Himalaya. First one is the Greater Himalaya, and the next one is the Lesser Himalaya. The Lesser Himalaya, and the next is the Shivalik Hills. So let's know about the Greater Himalaya first. The Greater Himalaya. They are the highest Himalayas. And their height is their height of 6,100 kilometers should be their height. That Himalayas are called as Greater Himalaya. They have many high peaks, as you know, peaks. What are the peaks? And in that one of them are Mount Everest of 8,848 meter, and it is the highest peak in the world, as you know, highest peak in world. Mount Everest. The other peaks are Kanchanjunga and of height of 8,559 meters. Kanchanjunga height. Makar 8,448 meters its height. And Dhaulgiri of 8,147 meters afterwards. And 72 and meters. Manasalu of height of 8,156 meters, and other mountains that have this much peak. Himalaya. This Greater Himalaya, it is always covered with snow. Snow throughout the year. So it is called as Himatri. So which is called as Himatri and why it is called as Himatri, they may answer on that. They are home of glacier, and they are home of glaciers, and they are home of glaciers Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. They are home for that. These are mountains, Yamunotri. There are many passes, as you know, underground tunnels. There are many passes, like Usil, Shipkila, Sochkila, Chila. So these are the, and some other are the underground tunnels. And the mountains mountains lying mountains lying mountains lying in the northwest of the Himadri. Northwest of the Himadri means this one, mountains lying in the northwest of this Himalayan Greater Himalaya. It is called as Trans Himalaya. That mountains are called as Trans Himalaya. In Karakoram range, a place called Karakoram range, there the highest mount K2, empty means mount K2 is located. It is the highest mountain of India. So after this highest mountain, let's go to lesser mountain of India, higher Himalaya. Let's go to lesser Himalaya. Himalaya, the mountains that are located in the south of Greater Himalaya. That mountains are called as lesser Himalaya. So the mountains that are located in the south side of the lesser Himalaya, higher Himalaya, and that mountains are called as lesser Himalaya. They are also known as Himachal. So there higher Himalaya is also known as Himadri. This is also known as Himachal, lesser Himalaya. 60 to 80 kilometer width the mountains are, and their height is 1500 to 4500 is their height. There are many parallel ranges. In lesser Himalayas. So let's know what are the parallel ranges in lesser Himalayas. The Mussoorie, the Mahabharat and Darjeeling, the Mahabharat and the Darjeeling and some other are the parallel ranges in the lesser Himalayas. Contains many valley. The lesser Himalaya contains many valley like Kashmir Valley, Kulu Valley, and Kangra Valley, and other valleys it has. And it has hill stations. Like Shimla, Ranikat, the Darjeeling, Mussoorie. So these are the some hill stations. So let's come to the Shivalik Hills. Sival, Shivalik Hills. So here one minute, here I wrote little bit H I wrote. Here it is Shivalik Hills. So let's know about Shivalik Hills. So it is the outermost It is the outermost range of foothills of India. It is the outermost range of foothills of India. It is located in South Himalaya. That is located in South Himalaya. So it is a foothills. Foothills, South Himalayas. We can walk. They are called outer Himalayas. Called outer Himalayas. Himalayas, and their height is 100 to 150 meters square, and their width is 30 to 150 30 to 150 and kilometer. They extend from Jammu Kashmir in west, to Arunachal Pradesh in east. So they have flat bottom. Longitudinal structure called dunes. So dunes they have. So wait, I will show you what are dunes. Example for that is Dehradun. So wait, I will show you what is dunes. These are like dune-like structures. You can see here it is like dune-like structures, like small houses that are for polar bears. You can say it is like small dunes. May you have seen in your lower classes. So these are dunes, the small houses. Come to the importance. What are the importance of that? It stops the foreign invasion. Means it stops the foreign people to come India. So during 88,800 during 2200 years ago, when the foreigners were coming from that place, they were stopped by the Himalayans, and now also it is stops cold winds. So the mountain, it stops cold winds that come from Central Asia, it come to India. So the mountain, it stops because of its height. It stops foreigners to come India, because they can't climb that much mountain, and they don't have that much patience to climb and come to India. They abstract the rain-bearing winds. Means they abstract the rain coming. Abstract the more rain coming. The winds they abstract. And we can do plantation there. Plantation, as well as some hydroelectric power stations are there. So 1 minute, I will show you what are the Shivalik Hills, where I will show in your textbook map. This is your textbook. So here you can see here Kailas mountain, and here you can see Himachal, the lesser Himalaya here written you can see, and here you can see Shivalik Hill and the Mount Everest. You can see the highest mountain of India, and here you can see the backside of lesser Himalaya. There are Himachal range, Himadri range, and here lesser Himalaya, and here small Shivalik hills are there. You can see here map they are written. So here, from here to here, there are Himalayas and some rivers. You can see Mount Everest, Kanchanjunga mountain, and some Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Ganga river. And here also you can see some more hills. You can see so Kanipura hills and some other hills you can see in here Arunachal Pradesh and some states. So this was about here. First let's see greater Himalaya will come, then lesser Himalaya. Afterwards here in small place there will be Shivalik hills that are foothills where we can walk. So this was about your hills, three types of hills in northern plain. So next topic is the northern Great Plain. So let's come to the next topic, northern mountains. Next is the northern Great Plains. The northern Great Plains. So let's know about the northern Great Plains. In that, it lies between the northern Great Plains. It lies between Himalayas. It lies between Himalayas and the Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau, it lies between Himalayas and Peninsular Plateau. So Himalayas, as you learned, it is from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and down of that it will come and this is northern Great Plain. It is made of deposits of three rivers, namely Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra. By the settlement, by the deposits of these three rivers, the northern Great Plain is made, and it is of alluvial soil. Northern Great Plain is of alluvial soil, whereas alluvial soil and from east to west, east from east to west, its length is 2500 kilometers, and it has a width of 242 to 340 kilometers. It has a width, and this northern plain, it covers an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. It covers an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. So importance of this northern plain. Let's know about the importance. It is the northern Great Plain. It is suitable for irrigation. So we can do irrigation there, and agriculture also we can do. Northern Great Plains we can do agriculture also. It is level to make railways, roads, communications. It is suitable, and it is suitable to make industries. We can make industries. So these are we can do in northern Great Plains. So here I will stop. I will continue the next topic in the next video. So okay friends, still here you understand, I think so. If you have any doubt, put it on comment, I will answer there. So don't forget to watch the description of next video. I will put these pages as making PDF in my next video. So okay friends, bye, see you, take care.